Hi everyone, welcome to Cryptalina channel, and today I will show you an excellent opportunity for passive income in the cryptocurrency market on the BitGet cryptocurrency exchange and using an interesting tool. It's copy trading. So let's get started. If after this video you want to make money in the cryptocurrency market just like I do, then right now follow my referral link, which is in the description or in the first pinned comment. Use the copy trading tools and you can get up to $5,000 in bonuses on your first deposit, which you can use in copy trading. So let's begin. To get into copy trading, we need to go to the main BitGet page. After that, select copy trading. It's at the very top, and there is also a new mark here, and today we will talk about futures copy trading. There is also copy trading on the spot. There are various copy trading strategies. You can create your own copy trading strategy, and you can see the leaderboard. We can see the top 500 traders we have right now, and we also see the ROI over a period of time, and you can see what cosmic profits people are making right now, and some have a 100% win rate, meaning they are not wrong. And today I will show you how to choose the best trade on the BitGet cryptocurrency exchange in the copy trading section in order to earn passively. So we switch to the copy trading tab in the futures section. I will make a separate video about the spot section, which will be released a little bit later. So now I will talk to you about the futures section. Here we see just below the traders, and here are the traders with the highest ROI over a given period of time, and this trader has a 4,707% Lamborghini. The stable trader has 4,583%, and God of Wealth has 4,531%, and you can see that they give an incredible amount of ROI for a certain period of time when these statistics was knocked out. So it's clear that you also need to pay attention to certain points that need to be taken into account when working with copy trading tools, and today I will tell you what points you should pay attention to in order to select the best trader so that he brings you passive profit. So friends, here are the traders with the highest ROI. Let's go down a little lower. Also I featured out the traders with the highest PNL and the traders with the highest PNL for their followers. At this point we must pay close attention. If a trader has a large amount of PNL for his followers, then he succeeds in trading, he brings profit to followers and brings profit to us. So you can sort traders by this parameter, click traders by PNL and go to this tab. So we see everyone as a trader and the best PNL for followers was automatically chosen. Let's reset all settings now. So we did it. Let's click on all traders and I will show you how you can sort them and find the best ones. So we have a ranking here, sorting by the number of followers. We can put from a smaller number to a larger one. We can sort by ROI. We see that someone has really bad ones. Sorting goes from smallest to largest. For example, Georgia Charles, who generally has 0 subscribers, minus 6,778% of the profit. So I made this video that you don't accidentally fall into such illiterate traders, and a lot of people wrote that they lost money because they connected to some unknown traders and sent me screenshots and private messages that I really wondered how you can choose such a trader. But this is all from ignorance. If they've watched my videos, if they were subscribed to my channel, they wouldn't follow such trader. So next, total PNL can also be sorted 841%, 169% and so on, and some even have minus 1,800%. Such traders should be avoided, and you can also sort by PNL for subscribers and sort by traders' total capitalization. As you can see, there are different capitalization metrics here. This trader has a $1,971,000 and this trader has a capitalization of $1,227,000, and you can see that the numbers are quite impressive. You need to choose a trader who has a fairly large capitalization and a large number of subscribers, and also makes good P&L for his subscribers. I have already analyzed traders, and I can say that this trader Wuduk Chan Lon is quite good, and now we can join him, including for this test introductory video in which I tell you how to choose the right trader and make your first investment. All we can do is press the reminder, turn it on, press the remind me button, and after that we will receive a notification when this trader is free. So what to pay attention to? He has a large number of followers. This is the first thing you should pay attention to. He has 1020 traders and has been trading for a year, for 270 days. ROI 187%, maximum drop 11%, and this is very important indicator that we should pay attention to, precisely because if there is a maximum drop of 30-40% here, the trader doesn't particularly put stop losses, doesn't monitor his positions, and waits out positions until they go over to the values at which he opened them or go into plus. Roughly speaking, he can go long on Bitcoin at around $10,000. Bitcoin will go to $5,000 and he will sit in the red all this time and demand margin from you, so that you give margin to this position so that he crosses this trade in this way, and after that he will go to the plus and he will close it. So these are actions without money management, without stops, without any strategies. I don't recommend such traders. This person has had 15,859 subscribers all the time, and right now he has 1,000 subscribers and they entrusted him with their funds, and this is a good indicator. The total P&L is $19,446. The win rate is 32%, and it has a total capitalization of $1,227,000. Here we can see on the chart the ROI for the last 7 days, we can see the ROI for the last months, we can see how the balance of subscribers grows, how the profit from this trader jumps and sometimes reaches 200%, and we can see the profit for the last months. You see, when Bitcoin started to take off, this trader made the main profit that was formed over the past months. Also, position hold duration. This is a very important statistic. We definitely pay attention to it. We can see how much a trader holds on average. In a losing position, he keeps an hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, and these are good statistics. Here we pay attention to how much he had the maximum position and how many unprofitable positions were closed there. In this case, it was within 2 days, 8 hours, 8 minutes, 50 seconds. This is a fairly short period of time, considering that this is one position and the position was 35 cents. And basically transactions are closed at a loss during the day, so this is quite good. He either uses stops or closes trades with his hands when he sees that something is going wrong. So we can also see what currency pairs he trades. It mainly uses Bitcoin, Ethereum and BNB cryptocurrencies. This is very good. 50% of transactions are in Bitcoin. This is very good indicator that you need to pay attention to, and this shows that the trader sees what he is doing and understands that everything depends on Bitcoin. Wherever Bitcoin goes, altcoin will go. And here we can see the traders trading volume for the last 7 days, for the months as well, and we see that since March 9 there was a record trading volume of $80,000 just when Bitcoin went up. We can also sort by followers. Let's see how much money he brought to his followers. For example, he has already raised up to $57,000 in profit for one person for all the time. And it's not bad, it's quite good. To someone, he attracted $24,000 profit. So people trust big sums and earn big sums with him. We can also look at history very closely. We can see that this trader often uses 5 leverage. These are fairly safe trades. This trader doesn't use leverage above 10, and if you increase the leverage, then you increase your risks. And this trader trades on minimal risks while giving a stable profit. So that's good enough. From this Bitcoin short trade, he earned 95% for his subscribers, He earned 95% for his followers and for himself, and according to copy trading, we can see the ROI trades on a cross margin. We can see that the trades that he opens in real time and use them for analysis. So this trader is already busy, I remind you that, so let me find a free trader for you now and see what this experiment will lead to. Also, in the second part of this video, I will show you how to take your first step and how to start following the trading master. So on the screen, you see the trader I will follow. Here is his nickname. He also has verification. This is a verified trader. He doesn't use a large leverage. He also has large statistics, and let's figure out how we can follow this trader. So we need to click the copy now button. Here you are prompted to use the advanced settings mode if we click use advanced mode. So we will be able to change absolutely every individual currency pair that we choose at the very beginning. And at first we can choose the pairs in which the trader trades, and for each of these pairs we can make an individual setting. For Bitcoin, your own setting, for Ethereum, your own setting, and so on. I will use the basic setup. The first thing we are asked is how much margin we can use per trade. I recommend putting no more than 10% of the capital that you use in copy trading here, and the deposit will be $100. Just let's see how much interest we can earn from this. And after that, we will think about whether it's worth raising rates and making a larger deposit, $1,000, $2,000. Initially, I recommend just testing and making a test deposit of $100 to $500 of money that you are not afraid to lose, and after that, decide to follow this trader or not. So we click on the blue arrow, and here we can choose the stop loss for each position, the take profit for each position, and the maximum follow amount we can give the trader to manage. And I recommend putting no more than 10% of your deposit on the copy trading platform here. $100 is $10, if $5,000 then $500. In this case, I will bet a little more, 30%, and I don't want to put a stop loss because I trust this trader, and now I don't want to do this because I need to understand what his strategy is. Initially, I don't set stop losses. If I understand that I will follow these traders, then in the future I will develop a plan for how I can put a stop loss on each currency pair following this trader. When I understand how he works and his strategy, then I already use stop loss. So we click confirm, then we go next. We are once again shown for all currency pairs. We press confirm. We are through into copy trading, and right now you can see our account, position, trading history, those traders we follow, P&L and trades that we will have, margin information and setting section. So traders, it's all for now. This is all we need to know about futures trading using copy trading. I hope you liked this video. Subscribe to my channel and write in the comments what you would like to see on the tutorials for the BitGet cryptocurrency exchange, namely for copy trading, and the next video will be in a week. I will share the results with you. Thank you for watching. Bye.